Well, this is the reflecting pool in Washington, March, and it's not supposed to be drained like this. It was originally drained a few weeks ago, early part of the month, for the annual cleaning and repairs. But then something went wrong, and now it's staying drained. I'm running on the mall, and this is my standard route, and it is so popular today. Look at this. This is the reflecting pool, completely empty. They've drained all the water, almost all the water. There's some still in the middle. Ugh, look at that green algae on the bottom. See in between the Washington, which is reflected in here, and the Lincoln is on the other side. Just totally empty. I looked for coins though. Anyway, this, I'll show you what it usually looks like. I took these pictures a couple weeks ago. See how the Washington Monument reflects into the water? That's what it's designed to do. Yeah, and that algae is showing. It's a little low. I'm in the Lincoln Memorial reflecting pool because there's no water. Look at this. Closer. There's just that water in the middle. The rest is, it's kind of like, it's a harder surface than I would have expected. You get to see all the inside. This is crazy. Okay, well, I'm gonna go run that way. Wow. Never seen this before. So as you can see, it's basically a big playground. This guy's doing wheelies, and people are walking right through it. And there are no signs. There was one sign in the beginning of all this draining situation. There was one sign way over here where I'm kind of going. Let's see if I get it closer. See if it's still there. There was one sign that says don't walk in it, but it looks like they took it off, so I guess everyone can walk in it. So the reflecting pool obviously reflects the Washington Monument if it has water in it, which it doesn't, because it's been totally drained. It was drained in the beginning to clean, and you'll be able to see in some of my earlier videos the algae. It was all over. I don't know where the algae went. I don't know how it's gone, but it's gone. Maybe it just dried out. Maybe they cleaned it out. So this has been going on for so long, and the National Park Service, oh, here's some of the algae. Here's some of the gross water that's left. Is a lot less than it used to be a few weeks ago. So when they originally drained it, the Park Service said on their Instagram page that it was the annual cleaning, and then they showed some of the cleaners, and I have some video I'll show in this video of the cleaners coming through and the machines and getting rid of all the gunk at the bottom, getting it repaired. But then it just kept going. I mean, this has been going on for weeks. So I contacted the National Park Service Media Affairs spokesman and asked what is going on? When is this going to get fixed? So I've got that answer, which I'll attach to this video when I get back. But suffice to say, people will be, look at this, playing football and using this reflecting pool as a playground for a while to come, at least a little bit. I'm gonna jump in it as soon as I can, but I'm not going to jump into that disgusting green water. All right, here we go. Well, when it first was drained, I ran through it because I was so excited, because I had seen it. Although they say this is every year, I had not seen it empty like this. Look at this. I probably should just show back. That's the sun's down, so it's hard to see, but that's the Lincoln Memorial. And famously, the reflecting pool, most famous Hollywood moment, was in Forrest Gump. Forrest Gump is speaking on the steps, and he sees his girlfriend Jenny in the crowd, which would be over here. And I'm gonna try to put this video into this one to see if the YouTube lets that happen, but then Jenny runs over and jumps in, and so it's forest right about here. So I'll try to put that video into this one. When I first saw that it was empty and I ran through it, I was absolutely looking for money, just spare change, but I didn't see any. So I'm sure someone got it before me. I do think people throw money in to make wishes here. So to figure out what is going on, why the pool isn't drained, which apparently no one else in Washington but me seems to have asked, I asked, look at that, 3 nuns, like central casting here in this pool. I asked Michael Litterist, who is the spokesman for the National Park Service National Mall, and each of the National Park Service has all these different departments, and the National Mall is its own. And so I asked him why this was still drained, because this has been going on for much longer than anticipated, and I'm kind of curious if they're just not going to put the water back. So he said that there is a leaky pipe and that they plan to fix the leaky pipe, which is why I'm walking over here to see if we can figure out the source of the leaky pipe. They plan to fix the leaking pipe at the same time. This could be it. I mean, this is a mess. So the National Park Service told me, that they plan to fix the leaky pipe at the same time as they did the annual cleaning and the annual repairs, but it proved more difficult than they anticipated, which, if I'm right, and it is this mess, it does look like they're nowhere near fixing this, and there's nobody out here doing it. It's Monday. He said that they will they will refill the pool when they fix the leaky pipe. Oh, look at that tape. Caution, buried water. I've seen that before. Things you don't see. So, oh goodness, look at that hole. I wonder if this is where they fill. Well, here's all the possible places that I see, and I've looked all over to figure out where is this leaky pipe. It looks pretty much, this is what it is. And they're gonna have to fix this before they refill the pool. It does not look like a quick project. So in the meanwhile, this is what we're seeing. Everyone walking through DC, walking straight through. I wonder, I'm curious if a lot of these tourists even know this actually is a pool. Because if you've never been here before, you probably wouldn't know. I mean, they could just be walking thinking this is the sidewalk. I don't know. So that is the reason that this pool is staying empty. This has not happened before. So if you are in DC, you can come down and get in it, because it's gonna probably be a one-time thing. So they won't be having leaky pipes repeatedly over time.
I get this right. No, they hire.
Daddy!
Yeah. You notice